integration, the 7th class. Here the previous class you have learned all that formula. Say example, I'll be doing this one sum, integration of sin x dx, minus cos x is plus the integration of cos x dx is plus sin x plus c, just a recollection only. And what are the sums we can do it here? Integration of sin ax plus b dx, what do you write? Minus cos ax plus b by a, right? So example, integration of sin 2 minus 3x dx. What is the answer for this? Minus cos 2 minus 3x divided by, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 3. Minus plus, you change, therefore 1 by 3 cos 2 minus 3x plus c, integration. Now if they give like this, integration of dx by cosecant 5x by 2. Now what is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. You know this. Therefore this is integration of sin 5x by 2 dx. Then integration of sin. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos. Therefore minus cos 5x by 2. Coefficient of x is what? 5 by 2. Therefore the answer for this is what? 2 by 5 cos 5x by 2 minus. Third sum, integration of dx by secant x by 2. Secant is what? Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Therefore 1 by secant theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore cos x by 2 dx. Integration of cos is what? Sin x. Therefore you get sin x by 2 by, what is coefficient of x by 2? Half. Therefore the answer is what? 2 sin x by 2 plus c, which you have done it. Now how to do this integration of 1 plus sin 2x dx? This they have asked in CET as well as a regular exam also they have asked. The regular exam also they have asked for 1 mark. See here, one can be written as sin square x plus cos square x. See, there is a formula for sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, correct? 2 sin x cos x. This can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is same as a plus b the whole square, is it not? Therefore this can be written as what? Sin x plus cos x the whole square, right? Therefore this, you remember this. Here what I write? Integration of square root of 1 can put as what? Sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square. Sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin cos x. But 2 sc. Here you write dx is equal to integral of a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square dx. Then this one will cancel. integral of sin x plus cos x dx. Then integral of sin x is what? Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Integral of cos x is plus sin x. This is minus cos x plus sin x. The answer is what? Sin x minus cos x plus c. They will ask you to do to pi by 2. How to do this? Therefore, this equal to what? 0 to pi by 2 square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx is equal to sin x minus cos x 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, apply limit. What is upper limit? Sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 upper limit minus what? Sin 0 and cos 0 lower limit. You know the formula, what is that thing? Sin 0 cos 0 sin 90 cos 90 sin 180 cos 180 sin 270 cos 270. This is 0 90 180 3 times 270. Sin 0 0 cos 0 is 1. This is 1. This is 0. Right? You write this is here, right? This is what? 0. Cos 180 is minus 1. Cos pi is what? Minus 1. Remember this. This is also minus 1. 0. Therefore, here what you write? This is 90 now. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Minus sin 0, 0. Cos 90 is 0. The answer is what? 1. Now, this particular sum, what are the possible sum they will ask? Look, the same sum they may change. Integral of square root of 1 minus sin x dx. What you have to write? Sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin cos. This is sin minus cos whole square, square root get cancelled. Sin minus cos. You can do it now. Here sin plus cos, here sin minus cos. Another important sum, even the final exam also they have asked. Final exam also they have asked in the entrance exam 1 minus sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2. 4 choice will be there, but in the examination in CET you can't sit and work it out. CET or NEET or anywhere, what is IIT? Here this if you have done already worked it out, you can do it. See, I am getting back this sum. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here what write? Just sin theta alone what? Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Right? Therefore, sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. There was what? Sin square plus cos square. Therefore, what I do is consider this. Without this, I'll take it. Consider this square root of 1 can be written as what? Sin square plus cos square. Here what? X by 2, x by 2. I can write like this, right? Minus, what will get? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Can I write like that? Into dx. Then what you write? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore what? Sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 whole square dx. This one could cancel. Therefore integral of sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. These all are corona disturbance. Don't get distracted with any of this. You concentrate on your problems only. Sin x by 2 is what? Minus cos x by 2. What is the coefficient of x by 2 is what? Half. Minus cos is what? Sin x by 2. Coefficient of x by 2 is what? Half. You have to be very, very careful because you are competing with 4.5 lakh students. Therefore, you must be thorough in what you are doing now, right? This goes up, minus coming out. This goes up 2, this is go 2. Therefore, I am taking 2 as the common factor. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, 0 to pi by 2. See here, integrating 0 to pi by 2. There 2 as a substitute, this is 90 by 2 is 45, cos 45 plus sin 45 minus cos 0 plus sin 0. You understood how? Cos 0 minus sin 0. 2 sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Minus cos 0 is 1 plus 0. Here what? 2 times 1 by root 2. This is place. Minus 1. This is what? Root 2 get cancelled. Therefore 2 root 2 minus 1. See, there will be 4 choice will be there. They will give 4 choice. This is the correct choice. And do you think you can do all the things in the exam and so fast you have to do? If you have done already 2-3 times there, you can easily identify. They will give 4 choice. That is what? 2 root 2 minus 1 or 2 1 minus root 2 or 2 1 minus root 3 or plus 3 2 1 plus root 2. 4 choice A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct one? This one is the correct one, you have to find out. For that you should have worked it out all that. See, the same sum they ask you for final exam. Final exam. This is for what? 3 marks or 2 marks. Therefore, integration is really important, and even in higher classes, engineering and all, you can't escape. Therefore, 2-3 times you work it out the sum. Okay. Now, what is the other type of sum which you are expecting? This one. See, integration of cosecant square x and secant square x dx. How to do this? See, integration of the differential coefficient of tan x is equal to secant square x. See, any moment the video may close because of other call is coming. It may stop. But I will continue in the next class. Differential coefficient of tan x is equal to secant square x. Therefore, integration of secant square x dx is equal to